Dear Western media, I know that we are not white enough for you to care that much, but since you always say you are so concerned about the world's democracy and peace, please finish watching this video and dive a little deeper into the complexities of Putin's regime and how he is creating distraction wars out of the war in Ukraine. My country, Kyrgyzstan, is being invaded by the totalitarian regime of Tajikistan. And this is not another border conflict between some third world countries, as it always gets covered by you. It has gone far beyond our border territory into our homes. And there is so much evidence that this is a full-on invasion of democratic and sovereign land of Kyrgyzstan. Our homes, schools, and hospitals are being burned down. Hundreds of thousands of people are displaced. Civilians, including children, are being killed by the Tajik army and the heavy military weaponry that they're using. Yet you still see it as a simple border conflict when, again, it's a full-on invasion carried on by the leader of Tajikistan, Emomali Rahmon, and also Putin. Every time Kyrgyzstan takes steps to gain true independence from Russia, economically, politically, or socially, it is punished by Putin and his authoritarian allies, just like right now. Help spread the word. Call it what it is, an invasion.